development of eco-friendly product from the post-harvest. India employing more than 70% of the population in the agriculture sector. We aim to increase the income of farmers by twice and also to develop eco-friendly byproducts from the post-harvest waste like the mask, wet wipes, scrubbers, as well as our main focus would be to enhance the improvement of natural fibers in the textile and handloom sector. So development of yarn and fashion-related products from the extracted fibers would be our core focus as well. So our main USP would be to increase the income of about 7,500 rupees per month, increase the productivity, that is the extraction of natural fibers, as well as converting the extracted fibers into useful byproducts. And the various products, as said earlier, would be focused towards fashion and textile related and other eco-friendly byproducts which pave way for sustainable development will also be worked upon. So our main target market would be the people and enthusiasts who are focused towards environmental conscious products who want to support the sustainable and ethical business practices which the entire world is moving towards. So for B2C market, we aim about 80% of the revenue target, and for B2B, we aim about 20% of the revenue target. The reason for B2C is since the market of the sustainable fashion is high when compared to that of the B2B market, we would like to focus more towards B2C, whereas we aim to generate about 80% of our revenue target. The total addressable market of our business would be about 20 million and SOM value is at 50 lakhs INR. So this is a preliminary, based on the preliminary study, this is the projected revenue of the target market. So the revenue model, as said earlier, will be focusing on both B2B as well as B2C. Apart from this, we'd like to have a collaborative marketing with sustainable fashion brands because establishing our own brand in the initial phases would be tough for us. So in order to suffice and implement a successful product development, we'd like to have partnership with very sustainable brands like the Rudlage, Suta, No Nasties, which completely work towards planet positive clothing, the sustainable product development. So that will help us establish as an initial startup. So the growth and the potential. So the main focus of us would be the consumer pattern, which states that two-thirds of the buyers are willing to spend more on eco-friendly clothes. And about the purchasing behavior has shown that 57% are shifting their lifestyle towards sustainable and eco-friendly development. So as per the latest statistics by the Statistica and the McKinsey, it states that 6.93 billion in the 2021 was the value of the ethical and sustainable fashion, which has rose to 7.57 billion with a CAGR value of 9.1%. So the sustainable and ethical fashion will always have an impact in the mind of people as well as in the market. So the Indian textile market being an advantage, we can, which is valued at about 220 billion by 2026. So the Ministry of Textiles would also be a major part for us to expand our business. So currently, we have registered under the Government of India Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and our current status is we have a preliminary mission which does the work of fiber extraction and processing in the one go. So it's a one-stop tool for extraction as well as processing. We also develop various products like fertilizers for the mask and the scrubbers. Our future plan will be to automate the process and to work on range of fashion and clothing lines from the natural fibers, which would imply from initial to the end, the entire supply chain would be sustainable and carbon neutral processes would be followed, and also to integrate the entire system from the raw materials till the product development.
Leaves pass through the three rollers, the waxy layer is removed and the fibers are obtained at the end of the delivery chamber, which then passes through the conveyor belt and reaches the chemical bath.